So, picking Brussels sprouts. Here we have our 3 plants. We waited till past the fall because no reason, just like that. Yeah, well, yeah, this is fall. So, look at these babies. There's a lot. So, the best way is to just take the plant, I guess, out because it's not gonna grow back. Shake off some dirt here. There you go. Look at that. So let's go over here.
Put it on the table then so we can remove them.
Yep. So we're gonna put them over here. There you go. So how do you pick this easy? You just twist it off. Comes right off. It's not complicated. We're gonna show you how to cook these also.
In the next video.
Yeah. And the best way to cook them, the way we like it.
Garlic, onions, salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Olive oil. On a frying pan.
Yeah, very easy way. Not complicated. Do we boil them first? I don't remember.
No, I don't boil them. I don't like them mushy.
Okay. So there we go. So it takes a long time to grow these. I think what, like 5 months?
Probably longer.
Yeah. And I mean the result is what it is.
It's fun. It's
a couple
fun.
little buds like this.
But it's fun.
It is fun, but we suggest maybe keeping it outside the garden because it takes a lot of room. And yeah, if you wanna, things to grow faster in your garden, you could keep these on the outside if you have a lot of space.
Let me throw this out. Back in the forest.
That's it. So there you go. We took it all off, and then we just throw it back in nature. So if you want to see what we got here, not much, but I mean, 1 plant. We got a couple more plants over there. We'll do that later.
Yeah, when we want to eat it.
Yeah.
No rush.
Yeah.
They're very cold resistant.
Yeah. So we're in November almost, and they're still growing. I mean, these plants last. Everything else died. So that's it. We'll show you how to cook these in a couple minutes, and you'll see the outcome.